Is your HyperX SoloCast not turning on? Let's diagnose the issue. First, ensure the USB connection is solid. The SoloCast requires 5 volts 100 milliamps power. Try a different USB port, preferably USB 2.0 or higher, directly on your computer, bypassing any hubs, which cause 25% of issues. Check the LED indicator. If it's off, the mic isn't receiving power. If the LED blinks but no audio, it's a USB or firmware problem. For older setups with USB-A, adapters can cause power issues. Reset the mic by holding the mute button for 5 to 10 seconds while plugged in. If still not working, move on to the next section. If power isn't the issue, focus on USB and firmware. Download and install HyperX Annuity software, version 5.2 or later. Use Annuity to check for driver conflicts and update the microphone's firmware. As of October 2025, Firmware Update 2.5.1 fixes common USB connectivity issues, especially on Windows 11 and macOS Sonoma. In Annuity, use the automated diagnostic tool to identify power, USB, or firmware problems. If the mic bricked during an update, HyperX Support can provide a recovery tool, although RMA might be necessary. For persistent issues, test with USB DVU to inspect port health. Aim to update firmware biannually. If problems persist, contact HyperX Support for potential hardware defects covered under warranty.